I wanted to try something today, and that's to do an SIC reset. So how does SIC reset actually work on an ElasticXL cluster? Do you reset each gateway because they act as one? I don't know. Let's try it. So first of all, I'm able to install the policy, so it works. I have my central ElasticXL cluster here. Yes, I did re-add it to the management station because, yeah, I wanted the correct name. And we are able to reach the internet. So if I open a command prompt, I can ping google.se and get a reply. So that's great. And we will have that here because we want to see if we get any outage when we do a SIC reset. So normally when you do a SIC reset on any other gateway, there will be full production outage because there will be running a CP stop or even a reboot. There are commands to not have the boxes reboot or CP stop and just reset SIC. I'm not aware if this works for ElasticXL. I haven't found an SK regarding it. There are SKs in regards to a scalable platform running on VS6. So it's possible, maybe it works, but it still says that it's scheduler maintenance window because it's interrupted traffic. So I don't know. So we need to wait for an updated SK if we're going to try it for ElasticXL without interruption. If it's even possible, I don't know. So what we will do first is we will log in to the gateway, and I will do 200 columns, 50 rows because I want to be able to run insights. So you see here central SC1 and insights. So we have uptime, everything's up and up or active. So the cluster is correct. Then we see the installation period, installation time of the policy. We have standard policy. So everything is hunky-dory. So I will do Shift C to quit, and I will do cp config, and then SIC reset or secure internal communication number 5 here. And yes, I would like to reinitiate. All services will be stopped. Are you sure? Yes. And I put in an activation key. Okay, so first of all, we need to run this via the serial console. This process involves rebooting all other members. When done, you will be instructed to wait for reboot to finish. Then you need to check the status, and it should be in init state. Reset communication on management side, install the policy. So I will do like this. I will take a print screen of this. So I remember it. And we will select no here because we're not on the serial connection. And then 8. Okay, so here we have the insights using SSH. It's not actually possible to open insights in this window, as far as I know at least. It will give the incorrect value, so to say. And then we have the ping ongoing, and here we have central 1, and we will do cp config, and we will do 5, and I need to go down like this. You want to reset? Yes. Are you sure? Because it will be cp stop? Yes. And I put in my key. And I press yes to continue. So this is running a CP stop then. So we are active down. The HA module did stop. Ping is still ongoing. Here we have active lost. We have an error. So this is running the CP stop and CP start. Let's see what happens more. So now we have active lost, and it's number 2 that is lost. We get an outage on the traffic. We see here that we have initial policy and active lost. And I guess this should be restarting then. Let's see what happens. Because it says that we should wait for all members to restart after. So this is doing start. So I press 8 here. Performing reboot on all other members. Rebooting member on this IP. Procedure completed. Please wait for members to complete reboot. Okay, so this one is going to reboot. And it looks like it's rebooting. And we have no link on the sync. Yeah, this is rebooting. So when we run the command on the first member, the ElasticXL, it's performing the reset SIC on all the members because it's acting as one, and it automatically reboots it. We have a full production outage. We are not able to ping. We have the initial policy. And if I check the print screen again, it says that we should wait for all other members. And it should come up in init state. So let's just wait and see what happens. So it's starting the system. Active lost. This one is still working, so to say, and that's the one we have the insights from as well. And when we have done that, we should try to do an ASCII stat -v to check that we are in it. So we will do that on this one, and we will do this on this one as well. So if we do ASCII stat -v on this one, what do we see? So we see site 1 active. Okay, something is happening here. So 1 of 2 is up. Active lost. So it looks like it's finding the other member at least. Because it's referring to 02 here. Okay, I was kicked out from Insight. I can still open it. Good. It has not fully F-sync during boot. It's not complaining on any sync interfaces anymore. So we have the login prompt here. And if we do ASCII stat -v, we have active down. So we don't have init. We don't have an init state. Let's see what it says on the print screen. All other members should be in init state. It's not. Reset communication on management side and then install policy. Okay, so we do like this. So this is SIC is not working. So if we open this one, we see communication, test SIC. We see that it's not working. And just to have checked that as well, let's log in on the member, in the Gaia portal, I mean. Let's see what we see here. So we see no jumbo hotfix, 48 minutes uptime, cluster management, and it's down. I guess that's what we can see. And then we do reset. Yes. Reinstall policy, sure. Initialize. Trust established, perfect. It's finding the interfaces. Did it do any changes here? So this should be external zone. Has it done any changes here? No, it's still the same. So we see here that the zone and so on was still there. So that's good. Okay. And I just press OK. And I publish. And let's do like this. Install policy. And I do like this. Let's see if we can see all at once. This is the hardest one, to actually get up the information on the screen to see, well, to show you guys more or less. Hopefully this works. So ping is starting to work now. Oh. Ping is starting to work. Installation is done. It says standard, install time. The error is gone. Configuration clone to the other one. Reboot is not required. And this is from the second member. So that's good. And this is active. Very nice. So the only thing we are missing currently is the green little box here. That hopefully should come. So this will disappear because this is actually green now. And the licenses is okay. So, and did we see anything here? So if we do the same command, active, do the same command here. Active. So the one thing that was more or less not as I expected was the status with the init state. And I don't know if this CP config SIC reset is actually tailored for the ElasticXL or scalable platform, so to say. Maybe that's only in ClusterXL. So there are a bunch of things that is not yet updated within the S-case, graphical things. So I think we need to give it some time to get correct S-case across the board for ElasticXL. It's fairly new. But it's working as expected, I would say. Pretty seamless. So even if you have 3 members in a cluster, it will make sure to reset the SIC on all of the members, reboot them. I didn't need to re-add it to the cluster. I didn't need to do anything special or additional to get this to work. So that's really nice. It's seamless. It's not seamless in form of traffic. The traffic will still be an outage on. So yeah, now it's green here as well. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.